Good morning, grade 8. Welcome to our English class. Today is October 22, 2020. It's Thursday, meaning it's English time. For the checking of attendance, is it a yes or is it a no? Before we proceed with our next topic, let us have a short review. Please chat in RGC the things that you can still remember. Now, we are already in our melt number 4. Its domain, grammar. Enabling competency, use appropriate cohesive devices in composing an informative speech. Its learning competency, use emphasis markers for persuasive purposes. What would you expect? In this lesson, you are expected to identify the appropriate signals showing coherence and establish coherence in sentences using applicable words. Are you familiar with 4 picks 1 word? I have here 4 sets of pictures. Say something about it. Picture A, picture B, picture C, and picture D. What common denominator do they have? What do pictures indicate? These pictures are related with our next topic. Our topic for today is all about signals indicating coherence. Please do the learning task. These are transition signals. Let us now first define what coherence is all about. It helps in establishing connection. Just like in our recent activity, it talks about connection. It only be established with the help of various transition signals. Therefore, transition signals are very important in writing, in achieving good and quality writing. What are the 4 basic types of transition signals? First is additive transitions. From the term itself, add. It used to add similar idea, introduce additional idea, introduce example or illustration, introduce restatement or explanation, draw to close or summarize. Let us have the sample statement. We should be all careful with the coronavirus. That makes our respiratory system weak. Likewise, the HIV AIDS makes our system frail. The first idea is synonymous with the second idea. First, it discussed the effects of coronavirus in our system. The other one, the effects of AIDS in the system as well. They all both make our system weak or frail. The first sample statement adds the same thought or idea. The second classification of transition signals is adversative transitions. Introduce an opposition to an idea or contrast and emphasize clarify a point. When we say adversative, contrasting or opposing ideas. We can have positive and then negative and positive statement. Let us have the sample statement. Even though the country is experiencing great economic loss due to this pandemic, it has continued helping other countries by sending our medical frontliners and other essential materials. The first statement talks about that our country is experiencing great economic loss. The second idea or the second statement, but still, it continued helping other countries by sending our medical frontliners and other essential materials, with the use of even though as a transitional devices. Third, causal transitions indicate a consequence or result. There is a consequence or result of the ideas. Let us have the sample statement. The students reviewed their lessons well before the exams. As a result, they passed the school's assessment process. On this statement, the first idea talks about the cause, which is the students reviewed their lessons. As a result or consequence, they passed the school's assessment process. The outcome of reviewing the lessons well is that the passing or getting of passing grades or remarks. The fourth one, sequential transitions, indicate a sequence of ideas, events, or result. From the term itself, sequential sequence. It is on chronological order. It can be a step by step or a procedure. Let us have the sample statement. My mother cooked our favorite breakfast. After eating, she washed the dishes and other utensils. Then, she swept the floor and cleaned the whole house. The transition devices are after and then. There is a sequence. Sequence in this statement talks about household chores. Any question? Please do the learning task. Good luck.